How to create Crunchyroll account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can create an account on Crunchyroll. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your preferred browser, or you can simply follow the steps in your mobile device in the application as well. So once you have opened up the browser, head to the search bar and type in crunchyroll.com. Press enter in your keyboard. That's gonna take you to the official website. Now navigate to top right corner and click on this profile icon. From here, click on create account. Then you will land on your sign up page. So here you have to enter the email address that you want to use to create your Crunchyroll account. So for example, I have this account right here. Under that, create a password and make sure you follow this criteria in order to create a password. Once you're done entering your email address and creating a password, click on create account button. After that, you may need to verify your email address. So for that, click on send verification link. After that, you will receive a link in your email address. There you have to check in your inbox and verify or follow the on-screen instructions in order to verify your email. And once verified, you will have the verified account on Crunchyroll. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.